हेलो फ्रेंड्स, जितने की क्लास में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम करने जा रहे हैं स्टैंडर्ड 7th इंग्लिश वर्कबुक लेसन नंबर 1.4 जो कि है द किंग्स चॉइस। उसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स तो देखो, इधर क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है। फर्स्ट क्या है कि इधर ऊपर कुछ मीनिंग्स दिए गए हैं और बाद में इधर से जो एक्सरसाइज है वो स्टार्ट होती है। Question number 1. Guess the meanings of fears in this context. Answer: fears, angry and aggressive. Second. Question number 2. Think and answer. First. Why must a king have a court? A king must have a court for the smooth functioning of his kingdom. Second क्या है, what qualities are necessary in the following and why? A. Point A, king, leadership, ability, kindness. Reasons: a king should be capable in matters of organization and kind-hearted and generous while dealing with his subjects. B. Advisor: intelligence, knowledge, foresight. Reasons: an advisor should be intelligent and know what is good and bad for his kingdom. C. Bodyguard: strength, courage, loyalty. Reasons: a bodyguard should be fit and strong to protect his king for harm. He should be brave and loyal to his king. D. Messenger: speed, punctuality and strength. Reasons: a messenger should be quick in delivering any message. Third, what is an oath of loyalty? Answer: an oath of loyalty is formal promise made by someone to be loyal to somebody or something. 4. Write and read aloud the oath that 3 of the courtiers must have taken. Answer: the oath of loyalty taken by A. the fox. फॉक्स ने क्या लॉयल्टी मतलब ओथ ली थी? I will be wise and clever and always give advice that will benefit my king. B. the leopard. I will be watchful and swift and always protect my king even at the cost of my own life. C. vulture. I will be quick and punctual and always deliver and bring messages speedily. Fifth, what was the vulture told to lead way? The fox and the fox. अभी इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर हम देखेंगे कि है क्या. The fox and the bird did not know the desert, but they did not want the vulture to be seen wiser than them. So they said that since it was the vulture's idea, he should lead the way. Sixth, why had the lion never seen a camel? Answer: the lion lived in forest and the camel in the desert. The lion had never been to the desert, hence he had never seen a camel. Seventh, what advice did the fox and the leopard give? What is based on good and sound thinking? इसका आंसर: the fox and the leopard indirectly advised the lion to hunt for the camel and told the vulture to lead the way. No, the advice was not based on good and sound thinking. Question: fill in the blanks in the sentences with the correct articles. Put an X where no article is needed. First, X. Rahul had a beautiful cycle. The cycle was X red in color. Second, there is a huge fish in the lake which is just behind my house. I have seen the fish many times. It has a black tail. Third, although X, इसमें पहले मैं क्वेश्चन बताती हूँ. क्वेश्चन में करना क्या है कि क्वेश्चन में अगर जिधर आर्टिकल्स क्या है एन एंड द, जिधर आर्टिकल्स नहीं आते उधर हमें एक्स पुट करना है. ओके, तो इधर जिधर जिधर आर्टिकल्स नहीं आते उधर मैंने एक्स पुट किया है. Although ex Rashid is poor, he is a honest boy. He washes the cars which are parked behind my building. Next question. Question 1. Think and answer. First, do you think the vulture was enjoying the search? Yes, it was. Second, do you think the king's decision to go back was right? Yes, it was. Third, can you guess the plan that the fox had thought of? Trick the camel and use him as a means of transport to go to their forest, kill him and have a feast. Fourth, why does the fox address the camel as friend camel? To make him believe that he is his well wisher. Fifth, what qualities of courtiers emerged in this part of the story? Cleverness of the fox, the of leopard, and disloyalty of the vulture. Next क्या है? Language study. Question. Use your imagination. Write more sentences in the pattern of the sentences given below. First, but the more the lion had, the more he wanted. To be king is good, but to be kind is better. Second, whenever he took a walk, they followed him. Whenever I speak, he interrupts me. Question 1. Answer the following. First, the fox, the leopard, and the vulture have the same thought about the camel. Why it is so? Answer, as they had similar interests. 7. Did you accept the lion to be king, kind to the camel? Do you think his decision was right? Answer, his decision was right. Third, why did the courtiers have to obey the king? Answer, they was probably afraid that he will kill them. Fourth, what qualities of camel are seen in his speech? Very humble and loyal character. Fifth, why did the lion laugh to see the courtiers go? He knew that they were unfaithful. Now next, open-ended questions. Question, is friend a position at a court? How it is different? No, I don't know that the friend is a position at the court. Position at court are very formal and have to follow certain rulers. This is not so in the case of friendship. Can do and say whatever he or she wishes to informally. Again, language study. Question number 1. Find 5 countable nouns from the passage and write their singular and plural forms. Numbers, singular, plural. See, here are numbers, here are singular, and here are plurals. See what is given here. First, king, kings. Second, animal, animals. Third, gift, gifts. Fourth, fox, foxes. फिफ्थ, बर्ड. अभी इधर बर्ड है. नेक्स्ट क्या आएगा इसका? प्लूरल. आप बताओ क्या आएगा? हाँ, क्या आएगा? बर्ड्स. Question number 2. List the unit that we use to measure the following. First, water, liter. Second, milk, also liter. Third, distance, meter. Fourth, weight, kg. Next question. Question number 3. Use your imagination. Write another sentence in the pattern of sentences given below. To be king is good, but to be kind is better. He would never fail if he knew the 3 things. Writing skills. For question, write the character sketch of given of the animals. Write about their actions and thoughts and their qualities that emerge through them. Them. Answer. First, fox. The fox was the fox. फर्स्ट देखो इसमें क्या करना है कि हमें कैरेक्टर्स मतलब उनके कैरेक्टर्स के बारे में थोड़ी सी इंफॉर्मेशन लिखनी है कि आखिरकार वो कैरेक्टर्स थे कैसे। वाइजेस्ट क्रिएचर ऑफ ऑल द एनिमल फॉर विच द लायन गिव हिम द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ एन एडवाइजर। सेकेंड, द लेपर्ड, large and powerful cats with stronger limbs. Third, vulture, the relatively bare head and often bare neck. Fourth, the camel, lazy. देखो इनके कैरेक्टर्स लिखे अभी, मतलब इन कैरेक्टर्स की कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन लिखी और आपको ये इंफॉर्मेशन समझ में आ रही होगी कि आखिरकार उनकी इंफॉर्मेशन है क्या। तो देखो कैमल कैसा था, लेजी बर्ड एंड अनकोऑपरेटिव क्रिएचर। देखो फिफ्थ क्या है, द लायन, स्ट्रॉन्ग कॉम्पैक्ट बॉडीज एंड पावरफुल फोर लेग्स, टीथ एंड जॉज फॉर पुलिंग डाउन एंड किलिंग प्रे। तो इस लेसन के इतने क्वेश्चन आंसर्स थे। अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकॉन सो आपको मेरे आने वाली जो वीडियोस है वो मिलती रहे। बाय फ्रेंड्स, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो।